Hey guys, I'm PS Back Wolf number 1 here, and today I'm here with my friend and my mom and her two guys, little guys. And if you know, if you watched my last video, then you know that I have been obsessing over squishies, and that my mom's a weirdo. And so we went to Walmart, and as she was getting groceries, I went to the toy section, and I went and found a squishy, and I had $5, so we bought the squishy. It turned out to be $7, but I got the squishy out of a bin that said $4.88, so it's like, okay, I'll talk now. So it was $4.88, and I got it out of that bin, but it turns out it was $6.84, I think. Anyway, let's get on to the squishy before my mom gets any crazier. Okay, so this is squishy. We did not take it out of the packaging yet, because we wanted to wait for you guys. Wow, that jacket's really covering the collie. We wanted to wait to make a video, and I had to ask my mom because my mom never makes a video with me. So I wanted to make it with me. So anyway, we're gonna open it. Okay. Okay. So this is squishy. What are you doing?
Bouncing on the squishy.
Anyway, this is a squishy. As you can see, it is a pancake squish. You have to tell them you got the squish. Anyway,
I squished it.
My mom. Anyway, as you can see, it is a pancake squishy. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pancakes and some syrup and butter. See? Can you count? 1, 2. Anyway, we're gonna do the squish test and see how slow rising it is. And anyway, I didn't tell you about the butter. I'm gonna tell you if I did. I'm gonna tell you again. It's squishy. Anyway, let's squish it. That's pretty squishy. Squish the butter.
It's squishy.
Feel the bottom of the pancake. Not your face.
I can't see it pop up.
Magical. We're professionals, we make mistakes. Anyway, it has these weird dots on it. I don't know, this might be like, what do you think that is?
Looks like numbers or a date of when it was made or where it was made, maybe.
Okay, then make that better.
It's not needed.
Anyway, it's pretty soft and it's pretty slow rising.
Excuse me. Who am I talking to? You or you?
Me. Okay.
It's pretty ironic that you like pancake squishies and bread squishies and you have celiac. Is there a correlation between the two?
No. And I didn't mention I had celiac at all.
Just wondering, because I'm thinking that you might be living out your pancake fetish with squishies.
What? They're cute.
Pancakes are not cute. It's food.
Pancakes with faces.
I don't see a face.
Anyway, whatever. Anyway, so this is squishy again. pancake squishy with the syrup smeared on it, all over it. It's squishy. It's squishy. Because it's squishy. Anyway, yes, we're going to get in line once again. And I'm going to get in front of all. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up, and in the comment section, please tell us if you like squishies, and what do you think the name of the squishy brand that we bought it from is. I know I make no sense. And also comment down below if you want my mom to be in more videos. Anyway,
Bye bye.
I love you guys. Bye.